Paul from Myrtle Limited. Here we have our Jaguar XJS elm wood veneer set for cars made between 1986 and 1991. You can see it's a 4-piece dashboard fascia set. There's end vent, centre vent, glove box lid, a pair of door cappings, a clock panel. We also make this for trip computer surrounds as well, and a ski slope console panel. This one's for automatic transmission. We also make them for manual transmission, like so, with the cutout for a gear lever boot there. For convertible cars, we also supply rear quarter cappings. Now these are matched sets. They're made out of the same piece of wood and they're symmetrical from right to left. They're made out of the highest quality burr elm veneer and finished in polyester lacquer.